Take your time, go very slow, just be patient.
So the installation of the LK screen protector on my wife's Z Flip 3 looks really good. You can see that there are no air bubbles whatsoever, especially where the Z Flip 3 crease is. Now, one thing that my wife said was that the center of the screen protector that originally came with the Z Flip 3 was actually cracking. But yeah, there was like a little crack, a little slit on the screen protector, the original that was applied by Samsung, and it was starting to lift on the corner there as well. So that's kind of strange. Anyway, this looks really good. The screen protector is completely adhered to the display of the Z Flip 3, and my wife's going to keep an eye on it. I got 2 more. You get 3 in the package from LK, so hopefully we don't have any issues going forward. But yeah, everything looking really good there. I think the most important thing is not having any air bubbles. And that is a screen protector install on the Z Flip 3. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Peace. I am out.